Hey everyone, I'm Aisha, also known as iSketch 24.3. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm showing you a male fashion illustration by using grid. You can also use head scale for reference lines as this figure is based on 9 heads. The dress I'm drawing in this video is the dress of Dolce & Gabbana from their collection King's Angel. And for materials, you don't have to be so expensive, you just need HGrid pencil, eraser and sharpener. That's it! After drawing the outline of the face, I'm drawing his lips, and the length of the lips are equal to the length of 2 eyes. Now I'm drawing his nose, and the width of the nose is equal to the length of an eye. He's having quite thick lips, that's why there is a small distance between the nose and the lips. At this point, I'm drawing the eyes, and I want to mention an important point right here that the measurement of this area is based on the length of 4 eyes. After completing the eye and eyebrows, now I'm drawing his hairs, and he has thick textured hairs. That's why I'm applying wavy lines close to each other. Here I'm drawing the jacket, so first I'm drawing the collar and connect it to the shoulder line. After detailing the collar, now I'm sketching the rest of the jacket. In this design, the hem of the vest is longer than the hem of the jacket, and the hem of the jacket is in triangular shape. Next, I'm drawing the right hand and the fingers of this hand are open. So I'm drawing them in a small curve which starts from the thumb and ends on the small finger. Now I'm drawing the sleeve and adding details in the cuff by sketching the patchwork, ribbons and the button on it. Right here, I'm sketching his left hand and this hand is with bent fingers. At this stage, I'm drawing his pants and adding some lines to show the folds and creases around the hip curve. Here I'm drawing the crouch and thigh area and adding darker values to show the depth and details layer after layer by applying light strokes. For more detailed tutorial, check out my Patreon account where I have uploaded a real-time version of this illustration. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.